mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. October 9, 2024, Wednesday, racing. Umpisa ng karera, as usual, alas 5 ng hapon. 7 races, tanging yung race 1 lang ang 1,400 at yung iba pang karera mula race 2 hanggang last race 7 ay maikling distansyang 1,200. Race 1, isang 3-year-old and above maiden race. First choice number 2, galing sa bakasyon, American Ford. Second choice, number 6, True Story. Race 2, only choice, number 8, Etnut. Race 3, first choice number 5, Malita. Second choice number 1, Go Jigo. Race 4, first choice, dito tayo sa mabilis na number 1, Lady Juliana. Second choice, number 3, Ice on Sunrise. Race 5, first choice, number 5, Lucky No No. Second choice, number 1, Tenacity. Third choice, number 8, Star of the Future. Race 6, race na may pentapekta. First choice, number 4, Attractive Force. Second choice, number 5, Asyong. Race 7, last race, race na may Super 6. First choice, dito tayo sa number 8, Extra Addition. Second choice, number 5, Static. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!